Global warming is not just the biggest crisis humanity faces, it's a ticking clock, and the hands are moving faster every day. Yet, despite the signs all around us, we close our eyes. We pretend the world isn't changing. We pretend our lives aren't at risk. Glaciers in Antarctica are melting away. Islands like the Maldives, once paradises, are sinking. Rivers are drying up. Forests are burning. Storms are getting stronger. This isn't a prediction. This is the reality we all live in now.
The science is there, the facts are solid, but people don't act. Not because they're ignorant, but because facts alone don't shake the human heart. A number is cold, it doesn't cry, it doesn't bleed. A statistic doesn't show the fear in a mother's eyes as she carries her child through a flood. It doesn't show the cracked earth where crops once grew, or the abandoned homes where families once laughed. That's the problem. We know, but we don't feel.
You can tell someone the temperature will rise by 5 degrees in the next few decades, but they'll still drive the same gas-burning car, leave the lights on, and let the water run down the drain like it's endless. Why? Because danger doesn't feel close, because numbers don't show them their world falling apart.
That's what we want to change. Our mission is to make global warming personal, to make it real. We're building an AI that doesn't just tell you what's coming, it shows you. We want people to see their homes, their streets, their cities, their memories destroyed by the effects of global warming. We want them to feel the heartbreak of losing not just a planet, but their safe space, their childhood, their future.
Because when you see your world drowning, burning, or drying up, it changes something deep inside you. It shakes you, it hurts, and in that hurt, there is urgency. The urgency to act, the urgency to change.
We created this urgency by implementing the Stable Diffusion XL Refiner 1.0 model to generate artwork with image and text input. By using this AI model, we can modify images embedded by users with text inputs of temperature and time progression to display the true detriment of climate change through artistic pieces. This is how we refined our image output. Because our Stable Diffusion AI model wasn't trained to specifically generate our intended style of artwork, we refined its generation by modifying the strength and prompt that goes into the resulting generation and diffusion process. Firstly, we created two variables called temperature and time. Temperature denoted the increase in temperature in degrees Celsius, and time denoted a progression in time in years. These two variables were then evaluated through if statements to decide its impact. For example, looking at line 7, if temperature increases by more or equal to 10 degrees, the impact of climate change will be drastic, creating a wasteland-like appearance. In the end, these four variables are incorporated into the prompt variable in line 31, which is the prompt that the Stable Diffusion model receives. Moreover, we also modified the strength of the model to 0.6 as we noticed one was too much and completely changed the photo or embedded image, and 0.5 and below barely made a difference. The artistic factor is vital in this project, as according to Shift eLearning, visuals have been found to improve learning by up to 400%. This makes the impact not superficial and helps learners understand the true nature of climate change. Here we have coded a user interface using Gradio, an open source Python package, to code our UI. This includes our logo, a small title, and some sample images of products in the start. When the user scrolls down, they will see the upload picture prompt, where they can put an image in via clipboard or an upload. Editing the temperature and year values and clicking the Witness the Future button will start generating the artwork of the final, dry, and climate change landscape. This is more than just a product. It's a wake-up call, and it's a cry for help from a planet on the brink of no return. It's a message to every single person. This is your fight too. Not in the future, but now. After all, an artwork doesn't just speak 1,000 words, it can also speak to the soul. So, witness the future and take action now.